guys, today we're going to make delicious spicy chicken Rezala. It's very easy to make with this step-by-step tutorial, so let's begin on how to make this. We have a handful of almonds. These are peeled almonds. To peel almonds easily at home, you'll need to pour in boiling water and then let that soak for a while, and then they should easily come off the skin. A quarter cup of poppy seeds, we soak these all night in water. 1 teaspoon of red chili seeds. So these three ingredients, we're going to blend them together first. We're adding a quarter cup of water. So we've got a nice paste now. So the rest of the ingredients are chicken. We got 1 whole chicken. That's how the rest of the ingredient measurement works. If you're going to use less chicken, you use less ingredients. If you're going to use more chicken, use more of the ingredients. A quarter cup of ghee. You may use oil if you want to, but ghee gives a better flavour. Half a cup of blended onions. 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. A quarter cup of plain yogurt. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. 1 teaspoon of white black pepper. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Whole green chilies to taste. Cinnamon sticks. A pinch of cloves. Whole black pepper seeds. 1 star aniseed. Green cardamoms. And bay leaves. Firstly, we're going to add in our ghee and let the ghee melt in our hot pan. Now you're going to add in your seeds and let that roast between the ghee so the flavours are out. Now adding your paste. Now we're adding in our onion paste. Now adding your ginger and garlic paste and stir that in. Your salt and stir that in. Cook for 2 minutes. Then we're adding our paste that we blended earlier. Now we're going to stir that together. So cook this for 1 minute, make sure you continue stirring. Now we're adding in our green chilies and the rest of our spices. And our plain yogurt. And finally our sugar. And then we're going to stir those ingredients together. Now adding your chicken. And then stir that in and cover it within the sauce. Now cook on a low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we haven't added any water, but you can see it's gone watery, the paste. But we're going to add 1 cup of water stir it in. Next, on a high flame, we're going to be cooking this for 10 minutes, but make sure you stir this after every 4 minutes. So here we have our delicious spicy chicken rezala. It's very delicious to eat. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.